back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Marvel Rivals error code 211, and let's get straight into the video. So for this error code, it is a error code related to your network issues. So if you're having this error, it's because of any like network related type of issues. So what you can try doing is, one, simply restarting your Wi-Fi router or restarting your network on your PC. If you don't know how to restart your Wi-Fi router, all you have to do is just unplug the power cord for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and then you guys should be good to go. You can also try restarting Marvel Rivals itself, opening up the task manager and exiting it. That's a good way to restart Marvel Rivals, and then opening it back up. And you can always, disconnect your Wi-Fi from your PC and then reconnect it, and you can always restart your PC as well. And if anything, you can also try using an Ethernet cable instead of a regular Wi-Fi connection, and that will also help as well. But again, it's just a network issue, so it has something to do with your network. So go ahead and just fix that again by either restarting your Wi-Fi router or just using an Ethernet cable, etc., and that should help fix the issue. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.